Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I'd like to show you 3 ideas for Valentine's Day dessert and I hope you enjoy. For today fried bananas dessert I need 1 banana, strawberries, butter and honey, and chocolate hearts for decoration. The skillet is hot. The fried bananas done. To make the dessert, I will use vanilla ice cream. And fried bananas. Look at this, looks so beautiful. Dessert, healthy, little chocolate hearts for decoration. The fried bananas with strawberries plus vanilla ice cream is done. Fried bananas with cranberries and brown sugar. Stove is on medium high. First part brown sugar. Sliced bananas, cranberries, and cranberry has a little sour taste, and that's it. Look at this, looks beautiful already. The first part I will use ice cream, just 3 scoops fried bananas with cranberry, a little bit chocolate, hearts, and Valentine dessert number 2. Bananas with cranberries and brown sugar is done. I make a dessert for Valentine's. So strawberry ice cream, milk chocolate hearts, fried bananas with brown sugar and cranberries, and I decorate with mint. Another proposition is fried bananas with brown sugar, walnuts, butter, and for decoration I will use chocolate hearts. Stove is on medium high. First part butter, just 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and walnuts. Next part, I will fry bananas just for 2 minutes. And done. To make dessert, I will use chocolate ice cream. Ice cream is melting already. On the top, fried bananas with walnuts. Looks beautiful. Let's go decorate a little bit. Inside. I have cookie and cream chocolate. Nice touch for the Valentine's Day. A little bit green. And simple dessert is done. Fried bananas with walnuts, brown sugar and butter is done. I serve with chocolate ice cream and little hearts, cookie and cream, and Hershey's chocolate heart, and I decorate with mint. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, please like, share and comment for more recipe.